Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous tutorial. And I want to use a drop-down menu for that section too. I just need to create another li, drop-down. Let's change that text as well. Drop-down. And let's add one more class for that one. Drop-down toggle. And we need to add a couple of more things. ID, Navbar, Dropdown, and role button, and database toggle. Dropdown, and area expanded false. Let's create UL under li dropdown, and let me assign class name dropdown menu, and let's assign li, action, and let's add class name dropdown item. And let me copy that one. Second action. Let's save it and have a look at it. You see guys, our drop down menu ready. Let's check it mobile view. See guys, it is looking great. Lastly, I want to add a search form end of the menu bar here. I just need to create a form. We will talk more about form in our future tutorials. I don't need action for now. Let's assign a class display flex, and let's assign an input area for search, type search, and let's assign a class form control and me2, it means margin end, and let's add a placeholder to placeholder search, and let's add a button. Let's assign a class name btn outline info, and type submit, and let's add a text search. Let's save it and have a look at it. See guys, our search area and our search button. Let's have a look at on mobile. You see guys, it's looking amazing. We don't need to do another extra things to make it mobile friendly. Bootstrap does all those things for us. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.